When companies want to test new features or versions of a web page, they often use a method called A/B testing. The way this works is that one set of users, called the control group, is shown the old version of a page, while another set of users, called the experiment group, is shown the new version of a page. Based on how both groups respond, we can determine if the new version is better and should be launched. This is actually just an application of hypothesis testing, where the null hypothesis would be that the new version is no better or even worse than the old version, and the alternative would be that the new version is better than the old version. A ton of companies use A/B testing to try out changes in features, layouts, and even colors to increase a metric that measures interest from their users. For example, you could perform an A/B test to see if a new look for your site's landing page increases the likelihood of a visitor subscribing to your mailing list. Or you could perform an A/B test to see if offering personalized recommendations on a shopping site increases purchases. One thing to be aware of is that although A/B testing can be good to test if a new feature or version of a feature is better on a page, it's not useful for everything. For example, A/B testing can tell you the best way to rank a set of products on a site, but it can't tell you that the site would really benefit from having 2 additional products added to the site. It's also not always great for testing whole new experiences for existing users, due to factors like change of version and novelty effect. Existing users may give an unfair advantage to the old version simply because they're unhappy with a change, even if it's ultimately for the better. Alternatively, they may give an unfair advantage to the new version because they're excited or drawn to the change, even if it isn't for the better. In addition to these, there are many other factors that can bias the results of an A/B test. You'll learn more about those in this lesson.